নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, আমি গোপা চক্রবর্তী, গ্রিন হাউস, টলিগঞ্জ মেট্রো স্টেশন, কলকাতা। কেয়াতলা স্টোর ইজ ওপেন নাও। আপনারা আসুন, কেয়াতলা স্টোরেও আমাকে পাবেন আপনারা। আর আসতে হবে এবার, স্টোর দুটোই আমরা খুলে দিয়েছি, আপনারা দু জায়গায় আসুন। আর যখন আসবেন আপনারা একটু আমাকে জানিয়ে আসুন, তাহলে প্যান্ডেমিক সিচুয়েশন একটু কেয়ারফুলি সবাইকেই আমি হ্যান্ডেল করতে পারবো। এগুলো আমি 1 নম্বর শাড়ি দেখাচ্ছি হাফ টাসারের উপরে, which is in very much demand. Half tussar is a very comfortable material, easy to carry, অথচ gives a presentable festive look. ভালো, পরলেই ভালো লাগে, very comfortable wearing. দেখুন কাশ্মীরি কাজ করিয়েছি হাফ টাসারে। The palla part, and there are paisleys all throughout. Paisley work করানো হয়েছে all throughout. Simple dainty ones. দেখুন এগুলো look so gorgeous when worn. খুব সুন্দর লাগে এই সব শাড়ি, very elegant. হাফ টাসারের আমার এখানে ভীষণ ডিমান্ড। This is for going for 4200. Use a contrast blouse with this. আজকাল তো ব্লাউজ মিক্স ম্যাচ করে অনেক অপশনস, যে কোনো জিনিস দিয়ে পরে নিন এটা। লাভলি থিং ফর 4200. দিস ইজ a half tussar. Saree number 1. And this is again a half tussar from Fulia district in West Bengal. এটাও কিন্তু কাশ্মীরি ওয়ার্ক। দেখুন বেঙ্গলের মানুষ, কাশ্মীর, অল ইন্টিগ্রেশন, কিছু না কিছু কাশ্মীরি ওয়ার্ক করানো হয়েছে। আমাদের বেঙ্গলের স্কিলড পিপল, দে কুড ডু এনিথিং। কি সুন্দর কাজ করেছে দেখুন, অল পেজলিজ অল থ্রু আউট, লাভলি ওয়ার্ক। দিস ইজ দ্য নিম্বু গ্রিন কালার, লেমন গ্রিন, লেবুর রঙের একেবারে নিম্বু গ্রিন কালার। অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ the drape is also very beautiful. Drape ও খুব ভালো হয় এই শাড়ি, easy to carry, washable, beautiful thing. This is for 4200 only, and we give a blouse piece with this. You can use any other color with this. You can add other color to make a blouse. This will also do well. 4200. I am giving you options again for this saree. Prathame I showed you a white one, then a pastel, it's a little deeper. Dekun the third one, again the Kashmiri work. This is the palla part, and the saree goes like this. This is the palla section. What a grace. The breezy ones, you can use them in summer. Kono অসুবিধাই নেই, summer wear এর জন্য they're very comfortable drape. Look at this saree. And with this the blouse section. This is the blouse section. This is olive color. One more half tussar. You wanted to see half tussar from Greenhouse. We've got this time half tussar from Greenhouse. দেখুন all motifs. সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, একটু শেয়ার করুন প্লিজ আমার চ্যানেলটা। লট অফ পিপল কুড এনজয়, দেখতে পারবে, অনেকের কাছে আমি পৌঁছতে পারবো, আমরা পৌঁছতে পারবো। অনেক এফর্ট, আই স্টিল কিপ গিভিং এফর্ট for all my pieces of sarees. দেখুন একটা একটা করে কাজ করানো হয়. They're all handwork. All handwork sarees. So much of work. This is again for 4200. Half the saree is in this color. 4200. I'm showing all my half tussers. I've shown 5 half tussers today. Look at this, fantastic. Darun elegant. Darun abhijatyapurno shari. All hand ari work. Look at this side. All the pink booties are looking so pretty. এটা পরলেই সুন্দর লাগবে. Pretty saree. Look. It's a pretty color. Off-white, white, pink. This is 4200 dear. 4200. This half tussar is from Dhone Khali. Half tussar is from Dhone Khali. This is half tussar. Handloom material. Parsi work. Number 6. Saree number 6. Half tussar. This is the palla part. And the rest of the saree goes like this. All on half tussar. 4600 please. Again on fulia half tussar. Half tussar এর শাড়ি দেখুন, এটাতে একটা ভরাট এমব্রয়ডারি করা হয়েছে কাঁথার, কাঁথা এমব্রয়ডারি। This is the আঁচল part. আঁচলটা এরকমই করা হয়েছে। Look at the craftsmanship. They're all handwork. Neatly done up. Look at this. The copper brown color. And with this blouse. The saree is beautiful. देखो कोरी दिखाई एक बार. The saree is like this. This is the workmanship. The total effect of the saree. This saree costs 3900 dear. 3900. All katha work. Katha stitches. And this is the mauve one. This is the mauve saree. Darun Chundar effect. This is the palla part. They're all handmade ones. all fulia this half tussar. 3900 for these sarees. 3900. Yeah, there was request from so many of you যে একটু শিফন দেখান। আমার যা শিফন আছে আমি দেখাই। They are the best of chiffons. I made them and thought I'll show you. These are the pieces I'm left with. Total batik effect. Best of chiffon. Batik করানো হয়েছে শিফনে। All throughout. This cost 5,600. Best of material. No compromise on chiffon. It's pure chiffon. 5,600. We reduced the price. This is very good quality chiffon. 5,600. 5,400 please. 5,400 dear. And this is the georgette, the viscose one, the marble print batik. It's again a very good color. 4,200, very difficult job. 4,200 for this piece. And the blouse section. For regular use, they are very comfortable sarees. 4,200. All throughout the same effect, the marble print effect. The original batik, 4,200. Going for 4,200. And the number 11 one. Very good quality georgette. I'm left with this one. You also see these are the previous ones when I had very good georgettes. Now I don't make georgettes. I don't have the material, this good material I'm not getting. This is a very good material. This was costly, but now I'm giving reduced price. This is for 6,600. Original batik on a very pure georgette. Original batik on pure georgette. Batik work, wax batik on pure georgette. It's lovely color. Grab if you like, take it away. It's a very beautiful piece. Especially the quality. 6,600 dear. Yeah, this is again a very good material. The same. Original batik. This is the achal section. The whole saree is so soft and good. It's breezy, easy to carry. This goes for 7,000 dear. They're the best of georgettes. এগুলো খুবই they are not viscose variety. They're good ones. They are from a previous stock. 7,000 for this piece. 7,000 only. Best of batik done up on this georgette. Beautiful one. Very smart and elegant. Very nice. Look at the texture, quality. 7,000 dear. And the chiffon, with the rose batik. This was my very popular design, the rose one. Chiffon costing 4,800. 4,800 all throughout, same batik. 4,800 please. Yeah, this is on Kosa Tashur. Again, best of Kosa. I'll give you best of material always. And this is my Pitai Zari work, Angul Lata design. Angul Lata design of greenhouse. এটাও অনেক পপুলারিটি পেয়েছে. This design is very popular from greenhouse. পুরানো ডিজাইন, কারণ অনেক পুরানো অর্গানাইজেশন আমার. So and I keep making, people wanted this kind of designs. এগুলো মানে শেষ নেই, এগুলো সবাই চায় সব সময়, প্রায় অনেকে চান, তাই করে যেতে হয় এগুলো. Look at the fall and the drape, it's so elegant, so beautiful piece. Such a beautiful texture. 10,600. They are all in-house designs. We create our own designs. 10,600. Zari border, Kosa Tasar. And this is the blouse section. 10,600 for this piece. Number 14. The 15th one. The great Kosa. Grey Kosa Tashur. The Achal part. This is called Parsi Jali work. Parsi Jali work on cut work kora hoyeche. Again in-house design. Grey and mehendi goes so well, blending. Best of Kosa. And the fall is also lovely, beautiful. Fall dekhai. Look at the drape and the fall. I have always liked to show because I wanted to give you the best quality. Look at this. This is on 9-line bordered Kosa Tasar. And there's a blouse section. This is the blouse section. And this is again on Munga Tasar. Various types of Tasar, not only Gachi. This is Munga Tasar. Munga Tasar is machine work, hand machine embroidery. Hand machine embroidery is as time taking as the hand ones because they are done by skilled workers. They are not the computerized automatic machines we have used. Number 10. This is on Munga Tasar, the real one, and this is with Zari border. 7,000. Number 16 is for 7,200. 7,200 all throughout the border. This is on Kosa Tasar. Half the sari is a border, like this. And the katha একটা দেখিয়ে দিই. I got this katha yesterday only, number 17, Gachi Toshor. See the combination, sea green and royal blue, very typical one, but they look royal, so beautiful. And the palla, এটা খুব সুন্দর শাড়ি, very gorgeous one. Color combination is so good, and there's no clumsiness. So many people never like designs inside, so I've got this made like this. Number 17 is for 10,200. Look at the sari, plus enjoy the sari first. Look at the sari. Friends, do share my channel.